G'day, I'm Mick Angelhere from Mick Angelhere's Australia. Right now I'm in a place called Mount Wake, a very popular hangout for motorbikes. I used to come here a lot when I rode my motorbike, and as you can see, there's a lot of bikes here, a lot of people. Must be a ride happening, but geez, look at all these motorbikes. Oh. Old Dodge. That's a very old Dodge. This cafe here is Mount Wake Cafe. It used to be Road Warriors, but not anymore. Yeah, a lot of bikes here. I can't wait to hear some of those Ducatis, mate, when they start them up. Woo! No, they sound nice. Whoa. Oh, love that sound. I do love the sound of a Ducati. Oh, I gotta say, that was pretty cool. I love the sound of a Ducati. I gotta get my bike back on the road. Now that's a car I would love to have. Oh, Mustang. Beautiful. Oh. Now that is a car. Gotta get me one. Gotta get one. Old Aston Martin. Beautiful. Mate, these are beautiful. This one here is interesting. Don't see many of these around. Beautiful. Not exactly sure what it is. DB7, Aston Martins. Ah, yes. Oh, Aston Martins. Very, very possible. Oh, we're here on a beautiful day. Yep, a couple of Harleys. This place is all new. This setup here. This place is called Brooklyn, and we're on the Hawkesbury River here in New South Wales. And as you can see, this place behind me is very new. It's called Kangaroo Point. This here, that's what it's called, Kangaroo Point. Got a nice cafe there. Haven't been there. It's all new. And yeah, that's the town of Brooklyn just there. A lot of people park their boats in the water there. Whether they use them or not, that's another story. But we're on the old Pacific Highway, and also you got the freeway, yeah, M1. So if you want to come along to explore a bit of Sydney and just go fishing, people go fishing. Or you can hire a boat or canoe. Like here's on the water canoeing. You can do that here. This is the amazing part about Sydney, is that there's so many things to do, so many beautiful places to come to. Now I'm in Kangaroo Point on the Hawkesbury River, and as you can see, it's a beautiful spring day, and this is Brooklyn there. Brooklyn Bridge, Hawkesbury River Bridge. We are in the Hawkesbury River. This leads all the way to Pittwater, where they actually film Home and Away. You've got to go that direction. Yes, you can go on a cruise on the river here. It's a catamaran, this one. Yes, it's a beautiful spring day actually here in Hawkesbury River. We are, well, you can say from Hornsby it's about 20 minutes drive on the freeway. From the Sydney CBD it's about an hour's drive. The best way to get here, you can catch a train from Central Station, or you can get the freeway by driving up, or you can hire a boat. It is a very popular location, and yes, it's Brooklyn, Sydney, New South Wales, not Brooklyn, New York. And you can hire boats to go fishing, or just go wandering around and exploring the river. Brilliant place. Even the dogs like to have a bit of a swim. Yeah, pretty cool place. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful spring day.